Hello, if you are wondering if the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro can detect snoring, then yes, of course. And let me show you how it actually looks. So we are going for the health, now you are going for the sleep. You have to click on this 4 dots in the right upper corner and go for sleeping sounds. And if you are actually using this for the first time, you will have to download the plugin, and here you can find sleep sounds. You will have to enable it. What is very important, you have to wear your device during the sleep time, and you have to put your phone next to you, so like 2 meters away from your head to get the best results. And you have to also charge your phone. The best way to actually charge it fully. And when the battery of your phone drops below 10%, then the the sound recording will be turned off. So we can even leave your phone plugged in to don't actually get that. And as you can see right now, it will just happen automatically. It will just record automatically. But if you want to check the sleeping sounds, you are going here. And if it was the sleep talk or snoring, you can find clips over here. And then you can just simply, listen to them.